Hey, how's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. Hey, and Lauren, welcome to the stream. So today is gonna be a short day because it's the end of the week. So volatility is not gonna be as high as much. I was supposed to trade in the morning, but price action wasn't looking fair to me. I don't know why. It was around like midday that I decided that I was gonna come in the charts. Like this was Thursday yesterday. See how price favored us today. But it's cool. You can plan out for the next week. How's everyone doing? Um, you guys are free to type in chat if you have any questions. My P&L. Let me open my back testing. So my back testing. I started off rough all the way around. Hopefully you can see it. That's my P&L right now. I took a stupid trade yesterday, so that's what I'm pretending right now. But this is I was looking. Can you see? Well, you don't think you can. Um, how do I move it? Okay, let me drag this on to the side. Okay, yeah, that's my piano right now. If you want to learn how to trade, you can go to some YouTubers. I'm gonna recommend them for you. I'm just starting out like a couple months in, like 2 months, but I could recommend you some YouTubers. I'll just tap them in the chat right now. Trading at TJR. For TJR, you have to like go to his old videos because that's when he's actually not like talking about all the things he has. Like he's not talking about the aftermath. He's talking about how it is right now with like starting off like you are. So for TJR, just go to his old channel. Let me show you. Let me see if I can pull it up. I'll show you guys now. Alright, boom. Iman has a website. This is Iman Trading. It teaches everything for free. I will say for trading, you need to learn what kind of trader you are. Are you the one that's gonna scalp? So scalping is taking short stop profit and losses. Sorry, profit and take profit. Or you the kind of trader that does swing, wait for price to get a specific place and swing. Are you the type of trader that does price action? I think price action is the best because it means that no matter where you are, you're still gonna take a trade. So go to his old videos, these ones right here, like when his YouTube channel doesn't look like you can see in his channels, you can see there's no money like flexing. If you get what I'm trying to say, it was around here that he tried it, then he went back to the old ways. Then it was like 2 years ago, so it's not outdated at all. Like here, so it's in his recent ones, he doesn't really talk about what he's trying to explain. He just talks about the different kind of stuff. Like I know many people use this kind of thumbnails. They always flash the money so they can invite people that don't have a lot. Like see this figure, it's a lot. So yeah, you can see almost there's amounts written almost in his thumbnail. So that's enough about that. If you want to learn, just go to his old videos, start watching them. Even the boot camp is still recent, but start watching these ones because this was when he allowed people to judge him whether he's good or bad. But nowadays he's right. So it takes time though. Yes, that's all about it. I'm gonna get into the charts now. I'm gonna open Forex Factory for you guys. I use Forex Factory, Action Forex, and Forex Factory, Action Forex, and yeah. So gonna check calendar. I don't think anything is up for today, but I just want to check for just today. I'm just gonna check for today. We're only checking USD. I learned that if you check, like if you open it up more like this, you can see what price is meaning to do. You can check what it means. So actual is better than good. So previous was last year's reg. Actual was what it's supposed to be. And then forecast is what they think would have been good for the trade. But I don't think anything's good right now. Everything's good. So if everything is good in the economic news, so that means you can use your technical analysis to trade. That's basically what I want to check. I also want to check Action Forex. I use Action Forex for my charts. Let me show you. Let me pull it up right now. It's a new one that I just caught. They have a lot of stuff here. Like it's they have the heat map, they have the action bias and snapshot. I just like it to I use my own analysis then get more information from stuff like this to see if I'm actually right or wrong. So the pairs we take, we don't do yen right now because yen is very I won't say volatile, it's just the bias is just too crazy. I can't sit down and actually sit down and understand. The ones that are neutral, I don't really focus on them. I just check them from time to time, like Euro USD. I know it's being neutral because of the whole tariffs and so whatnot. CAD, CAD's been up, so I trade the CAD. I also trade pound dollar. I always trade the pound dollar. And the last one I've been liking recently was the dollar Swiss franc. That's this one right here. To get back to that website, but first thing I want to show you is Finviz. Finviz is also the last one I use. I use Finviz to check the dollar compared to other currencies. So this relative performance, it tells me what's happening, whether or not I should use that or like if I should trade that pair or not. So I use dollar, yen, dollar, Swiss franc, dollar. Obviously, dollar is like this, but the Aussie dollar, this one. So the two main ones I would always check the USD, yen, and the Aussie dollar because they're high right now. The reason why I say they're high right now is because it's about what's the time right now? Yeah, it's about 3:46 Eastern Standard Time, and market is like falling, about to close for the week. So, what do you expect? It's not like if I traded earlier, I'll have been looking at the ones I could quickly catch for the day. But if I trade it now, I'm looking for I can see for the next week. That's on Sunday. So that's for Forex. I'm learning more about futures, so that's something that I have to dig in over the weekend. Um, I mostly do futures and Forex. That's where I like to trade. So let me clear the FinVid. So I'm gonna get into the charts now. So the two charts we're gonna check CAD, obviously CAD. This we're gonna check this, and we're also gonna check the pound dollar. Let's check now. So pound dollar, pound dollar. So what can we see? We can see two things. We can see. We can see Wednesday. Okay, let me go to the weekly and start fresh. My strategy usually is I go to the weekly, mark out the highs and lows. I recently cleared my drawings this evening to just start fresh. Mark out the highs and lows of the previous week. So highs and lows of the previous week is here. It's magnet. Highs and lows. My highs and lows of the previous week. So what do I do next? I'm gonna check on the daily for highs and lows. Like this week has been it's not good. This week wasn't good at all. That's what I have to say because price action wasn't the best. That's all I'm gonna say. Any highs and lows we have? No, none. I'm trying to look in this range. We don't have any highs and lows. We do have this one. I'm gonna mark this one out, but just for clarity. Then go to the 4 hour. Check if we have more. Do we have more? We have this one. Yeah. We have this equal highs and lows, equal candle. So now that we're done with that, go to the 1 hour again. We check it again. We see what we have. And now we don't actually. Okay, we can see price retailing here. Do we have any more? Okay, I have this one. What else do we have? I don't think we have anything else. So we're gonna go on the lower time frame and see what the fuss is all about. I usually do my analysis on 30-minute and 1 hour time frame, then just back test it on 1 hour. So I'm gonna start using a GAN box. Apparently, they help with tracements. GAN box for everybody gets tracements, and yeah, so we can get. So right, fair right now. I'm gonna point out this liquidity right here. Yeah, this liquidity right here. You see prices rushing down. I wanna see what happened this morning. So next thing I knock out is I'll knock out the time zones, the different sessions. Eastern time session starts about 3 a.m. for the Asian. No, for the London. My bad. For the London, 7 p.m. for 7 p.m. for the Asian. It's Asian for New York. New York starts at like 9. I like saying 9, like 30 minutes prior before the opening bell. Like this was happening at the opening bell. This 9. Wait, yeah, 9. That's the two things I check with. Let me make change color on this. New York. So what do I find? I look at highs and lows. This one, the Asian session made the high for today for the week. Yeah, for the week. It made the new high for the week. This was the previous high for last week. That was pre-session. Now, what do we see? We have New York. New York is since you have to figure out what's going on in the market for today. I see we're going down, right? What I do, I go to the upper time frame. I see what's the fuss is all about. Let's see, are we really going down? We're going down 1 hour. We're going down a little on the 4 hour chart. What do I check? I'm gonna check for equilibrium. I'm gonna check for equilibrium. Gonna see if market wants to touch here, then go back home. We're gonna check here. Check this out. Check one, check two. So we can take this out and call it a day. I'm gonna add it. So we have equilibrium here. What do we see from that? We go back to the 30 minute that we're analyzing. We see that price was to rush down. So what do we see? We're looking for order blocks. We see this liquidity right here telling us that price is done with moving up. It was a change in movement. So go down and see the breaker structure over here. The breaker structure over here. Price moves back up. So what do we find? We're gonna find an order block. Okay, we see this order block over here. So I'm gonna draw our rectangle. Take the whole body to the wick. I'm gonna call that our order block. Okay. So now, what do we see from this order block? So what I'm doing right now is building up my confluence. This confluence is basically what can you put two and two together to make sure that what you're saying is right. So what do I see from this order block? I see that price. Let's see, look back up. As the price touches back up, we know that we're in for a retreat. You can see this fair value gap. The fair no, it's not. It's invalid. So right now, nothing's looking too well. So we're going 15 minutes. See that price really wants to go down, really fighting you to go down. I feel price might have a spike rise up and come back down. That's I think because we have one, okay, two. Okay, so we have this size. We nothing. Okay, so the price comes back here, we're buying and all the way down. We're going to Mount Rushmore. Nigga, I just use ATR here for my volatility. I just try to see, oh, what's the market doing? Like, who's trading right now? So that's good on that. I don't think I have anything else on the pound dollar. I'm gonna find more conferences. So I wanna check the retracement. This is a good area for. Wait, is that what I think it is? Liquidity. Liquidity. Liquidity over there. Liquidity is over there. Drop it all the way to the swing low. Find our equilibrium here. I don't think, honestly, I don't think that's a good place. Yeah. So I think that's the good place for equilibrium. This is good equilibrium, but I'm not sure what it has this thing. If you guys feel what I'm trying to say. You didn't. Can you taste rock is cooking? But yeah, so we see price just dancing around. So what you want to do right now is just wait for price. You just come back, touch this order block, and gear her down. Then when we see where we're gonna take profit, we're gonna take profit here. Take profit. Wait, price comes back down. Equilibrium barrel first take profit. Second take profit. Third take profit. I think this is a really good place for take profit. Well, mind you, we still have lows here. Do you know why this lows are invalidated? Because it's the end of the week, ladies and gentlemen. It's the end of the week. Nobody is gonna trade that. You're not gonna get 100,000 people to trade sell because they are going home. They're already gone for the weekend. They're already packing things, rounding up. But that comes gonna get sworn at. We're not gonna hit this one. We're not gonna get hit this one. We're gonna get hit this one. So yeah, let's make sure we're on the same track. I'm gonna check one more chart, then I'm gonna call it a day because There's too much. We could do. Yeah, price is looking not too sweet today. It's not like it's bad. It's just that it's the end of the week, guys. What do you expect price to happen? We didn't even go up to 50 pips down. Let's say from the high to the low. We did. I lied. But it's slow. It's slow. I don't like it like this. Like Thursday was good. Like Wednesday, Thursday was good. I traded on Thursday. Sorry, Wednesday. I made a mistake. My stop loss was too low. I put my stop loss here instead of that down at this low. Just go on. But I mean, you learn from them. Thursday was really good. Let me show you how good Thursday was. Start at 19. So we're gonna start at 19. Go all the way. Thursday all the way to 19 again. Wait, is it way hit? Yeah. Well, see what I'm talking about. But it's I don't blame it. It's the end of the week. Everything was good, but this week in general was bad. Last week was good day last week because we made some big bread from there. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free send me an email. I'm now on Twitter, so if you guys want to go to Josh Live Training on Twitter, you can catch me there. I'm gonna respond to your text as soon as possible. Yeah, feel free to check in the chat for the people I recommended if you want to get started trading. And you guys have a good weekend. I'm still gonna do some analysis trade in the evening if you wanna swing by. It's gonna be really late, but I'm just gonna check the chart to see what I can find for Sunday. So Sunday, you just get on out. Hopefully there's no gap. If there's a gap, we'll just trade the gap easily. Then if not, then we'll just call it a day. Wait for the Monday bell. But yeah, you guys have a good weekend. I'm gonna catch you guys in the evening, hopefully. Peace.